Hello friends, you are watching Unbox Review and Tech, and this is new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in my hands, which was launched in this February 2022. It comes up in total 7 lovely colors, with 4 basic colors: Phantom Black, White, Burgundy and Green, with exclusive color options, Graphite, Red and Sky Blue on special order. There are 4 internal memory options: 128GB, 256GB, 512GB and 1TB. 128GB storage comes up with 8GB RAM, and rest of all comes up with 12GB RAM. The model I have got is in white color. It has 512GB storage and 12GB RAM. Before checking other specifications, let's unbox it first and have a look at the design. The screen size is 6.8 in the full rectangle. S22 Ultra has 77.9mm of width, 163.3mm of length and 8.9mm thick. It weighs 228 grams, which is not worse for big phone lovers. Right side has volume rocker, power and Bixby key. It comes with SPen, we will get back to that soon. It has USB-C port and physical SIM card tray as well at bottom. Well, it is very well made, but as it contains Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and back color is prone to scratches. This year Samsung has also removed camera bump, but it appears more prone for camera's outer glass. So, I will be getting soon a good quality case and screen protector to keep it usable for longer. Samsung S22 Ultra has quad camera system. 12MP ultra wide camera, 108MP wide angle camera, 10MP telephoto camera and 10MP telephoto camera. Same as previous model, it also has capability of space zoom, with 3x, 10x dual optical zoom and super resolution zoom up to 100x aside with optical image stabilizer and laser autofocus, which is not bad. It has 40MP selfie camera, so to get pretty sharp and mind-blowing selfies. Apart from device, there are some documents, SIM card ejection pin, and a USB-C to C cable. There is no charging adapter again this year. Let's turn it up. S22 Ultra has its Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, hitting 1750 nits at its peak. Infinity O display with resolution of 3088x1440, have 500 pi and 120Hz refresh rate. It is also HDR10 Plus certified. Mobile gaming, simply scrolling and browsing is silky smooth. Under display settings and motion smoothness, screen's refresh rate can be adjusted. Well, adaptive is better as it automatically keep changing refresh rate up to 120Hz according to the usage. Otherwise standard is only for 60Hz refresh rate, might be useful for longer battery life. Overall 1750 nits of brightness is terrific. Battery capacity on S22 Ultra is 5000 mAh, which is exactly same as the previous generation, which is good enough for all-day usage. For charging, it can do fast wireless charging 2.0 at 15 watt or higher is currently available with Superfast wireless charger. Or it can do super fast charging with a 45 watt power adapter. It comes with latest Android version 12. One of the major needs of today's phone users is a good camera, so it has got covered remarkably from that aspect as well. Samsung has made its best camera yet in this S22 Ultra. This time Samsung has tried to do best for nightography. In that case all the cameras work together, which helps to improve the brightness and get noise-free photos and videos without losing any detail. Whether it is daylight, indoor, outdoor, night, zoom, selfie, portrait, or video. It is excellent, sort of all-rounder camera yet by Samsung. Each shot comes with an amazing bokeh in the background. In this case it gives a pretty tough competition to iPhone 13 Pro. Look at this lock screen wall. Isn't it smooth? Its large and smooth screen is seriously incredible. If this video is any helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up, and a subscribe will be ultra good. Now, this SPen pretty much made this phone a Note. Since Note 20 series, this is the phone which comes up with SPen. The input delay or latency for the SPen on S22 Ultra is just 2.8 milliseconds, which is 3 times faster than last Note 20 had. So, that's made it worthy to consider for Galaxy Note fans. Brightness along with HDR10 Plus capability made colors more vibrant on this 120Hz adaptive 6.8 display with 500 pixel per inch. Now, the S22 Ultra has IP68 rating, which means this device and SPen are made to resist water and dust. My overall review about Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is pretty close to iPhone 13 Pro Max. But there are many features which comes up in this device like USB 45 watt super fast charging capability, power sharing, 108MP main camera, 100x space zoom, SPen and many more. Made S22 Ultra way ahead than any other smartphone. That is it guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments section, or follow me on Insta and Facebook. Find links in the description below. Goodbye for now. Cheers.